to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you are, my name is Jade Monet. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I have a lot of exciting videos in the pipeline for you and I don't want you to miss them. So today I'll be showing you how I install my kinky curly clip-ins. Today I used the hair that I purchased from HerGivenHair. I've had them for about 6 months now, so I'll probably do a quick update towards the end of this video. I just want to do a little tutorial on this twist out that I did because I'm obsessed with the results and I want to share with you guys. So if you like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So this is my hair right now, 1 year post big chop. So today I'll be using my Eco Styler gel, some serum, some twisting cream, and then there's nothing in this but water. So yeah, the hair that I'm using is from HerGivenHair, and I will list all of the specs below. It's in the length 18 and the texture curly. I made sure that both my hair and the clip-ins were damp because last time I felt like they were too wet and then they didn't dry properly overnight. I feel like these twists are medium size. I sort of based the number of twists on the number of clips on that particular weft. So if there were 2 clips, I did 2 twists. 3 clips, I did 3 twists, and so on and so forth. And I was pretty happy with the size of them. The front was a little bit more tricky because my hair is so short that I needed the clip-ins to really frame my face. So you're probably gonna have to play around with it if your hair is a lot shorter than the clip-ins, but just play around with it. You can always move them around the next day if you don't really like the way that they're placed. So I went off camera and I did my edges. I'm just going to wrap it up when I go to sleep tonight, and hopefully in the morning it will be dry. Probably not gonna wrap it up right away though. I'm just gonna let it sort of air dry for a little bit, and then right before I go to sleep I'll put a scarf on. This is how it looks. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm going to take these twists out. So let me just show you guys the products that I'm going to use. I have this, let me just a disclaimer, I'm really not that hip to natural hair products. So if you guys have some better recommendations for me, then definitely let me know, put me on, please. Like, I'm new to this, okay? So I'm using the Trader Joe's Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Hair Serum just to kind of like add some shine to my hair. And then I have this, which I might not even use. It's the Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Refresher. I might use it and I might not, just depending on what it's looking like. And then I have a pick because last time that I did my twist out, I felt like it just needed a little more volume, so I have this. So let's get started. I'm like super excited. this is cute. This is really cute. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I kind of love it. Oh man, I'm like, actually, I did that. Tell me this ain't my hair. Tell me it's not my hair. No, I'm kidding. I've had this hair for about, I would say about 6 months. So I'd say that it held up pretty well. I don't necessarily use all of them all the time, but I do use, I would say, about 4 clip-ins regularly. Like when I wear my buns or my ponytails, like my little poof ball or like my 2 buns, like I definitely clip these in, and just to give my hair a little bit more volume and a little bit more length. One thing that I will say about curly clip-ins that are like more of like a kinky texture, you have to take care of them. You can't treat them like your straight bundles. Like, you have to actually care for them like they're your actual hair. That's the one thing I will say, because I feel like people often get frustrated with curly clip-ins because they try to treat them like they're bundles, and that's not the case. This hair is textured. Like, it feels like real kinky hair. So you have to moisturize it, you have to condition it. When you decide to take them out, I would suggest just twisting them up so that they don't get tangled, and just putting like some leave-in conditioner in them so that they're like ready to go for the next time that you use them. What else can I say about this hair? A little goes a long way. I got the set for my whole head. Y'all saw how short my hair is. Like, this is a full set. It's only 1 set. So when I wear my buns and ponytails, I don't need to wear all these clips, which I think is cool, because you can get away with wearing like 3 clips, and it just is a way to add some extra volume and length to your bun. I really like, these are my go-to clip-ins. I've ordered curly clip-ins in the past, and it's been a bad situation. I had to throw them away because I couldn't even manage them. It would mat up all the time. Even if I put conditioner in it and tried to comb it out, like, it just wouldn't give. But these clip-ins, I will say, like, you have to treat them with care, just like you would any sort of kinky curly clip-ins, but they're definitely a lot more manageable, and I see them lasting me a long time. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video, this little tutorial on how to sort of blend in your clip-ins with your natural hair. I really hope that you were able to follow along. Let me know if you guys have any other suggestions as far as products go, because like I said, I'm new to this. I'm new to the natural hair like gang. I'm learning every day, just testing out different products. So if y'all can put me on to some products, definitely help your girl out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. You guys, seriously, all of your support means the world to me, and I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.